I suck alright, can down at Jamaica and him good.
Chrissy, put up,
Have to worry.
Chrissy, put up the pay,
Where
put up
baby
the
there?
information.
Baby, they at Jamaica.
From when?
What you mean from when? To the little boy go down.
Today, I go down RT.
I'm confused. By the father side. I remember me knowing
By
to
the
see it.
mother side.
Good.
Could
Okay.
be the father side.
So the baby,
Somewhere
okay,
baby,
good. So I understand. So I
his
just Ivan, you know. Okay, that's very good. I see what I say. I see what I do. I see it. I like it.
So now, everybody,
Like
The lady by the name of Toya is have full information and credible information about IVANY. She's saying she get a lawyer for IVANY. We're going to see her and everything. The lawyer is going to cancel. When she going to meet IVANY? Tomorrow or today? When?
Tomorrow. She says it's too late to go get to her now, so she waived the $500. So she won't collect the $500 that we should have charged to go see her. So tomorrow morning she's gonna go.
All right. So tomorrow, so basically, when we want the people them know how the money go is under Tire Energy, we are giving the $4,900. When you give any money today, the purpose of the money is to make a liar represent her for Lego bill because we see from one look receipt paper say something about $500 ray. So once we give the money, we expect Ivan to come back and say, well, the money pay for chew me out, me ray, I want to take it from this. So that we are trying to pay the money for the lawyer. That's the way I do.
Yes, exactly. RT.
Come time to hear the story. You're a lead right now.
TikTok liar, keep on speaking to the lady. Still.
Hello guys. Hello everybody.
Hi.
So I spoke to a lawyer just now. She's saying that to go see her today would have been $500, but they would waive that because it's so late. And based on the charges, it would be $7,000, but we'd have to pay 70% of that. Would have been $3,500 for them to go represent her tomorrow.
All right. My question to you, Taya. Love you. I'm going to read the comment. Don't feel no way. Everybody else, how credible she is. You know her, if she can get the 3-5 for pay. People who have watched IVANY, who never see her before, who never see her over there. She a part of Uno, she credible. How it go? Comment through, what I say?
Who, me?
Yes, tired. Nobody watch no face. We just have to do this, yeah.
Yeah, I understand, ma'am. I
One
understand.
hold tight, girl.
Say yes. So 3,500. All right, so you want me know. I could start it off now. 3,500. She can celebrate.
But hold on there, Bossy. Me have a style when me do. I don't know if you want to use it first. Me have a style. Listen. You see the 4,000 people on the live? We can't have the 4,000 people send $5 or $10 or $20 or any amount they can put. Like so first. And we see what we collect your so. And then now you come up with what you say.
All right.
Yeah, and then somebody zell me because
Watch I know. Look how me go override the queen, but thank God me the king. All right, you want me now. Taya, send out your cash up on your Zelle. 4.8 people. Me need the 3-5, yeah. Me could work it, drill it down. At least you don't give me nothing when Cuscus come ball out and say, hey, me pay 3,500 to take you out. No. Take RT out tight with them dirty mouth. Make everybody contribute to RT and have nothing for class and say, put out your cash up, put out the Zelle. Taya, the charges on you. You pay the bill. Ready.
What is the cash up, Taya? Let me pin it.
the cash app is $.
Hold on. Moderator, wait, 1 second. Effects.
All right.
So me that prefer, Me that prefer somebody collect the money because me not really do cash up like that and send it to my Zelle.
Alright.
The lawyer do
Me
Zelle.
go make my friend collect it. Hold on, my lawyer go collect it.
No, me collect it.
it's RT collect it, yeah?
Me collect it, me go spend it. Me go spend it.
RTHQ, me go in the screenshot. Let me send it to you. Only send to my cash shop and me go in the screenshot. Do not send
No,
more
but
than
some people have
$1,500.
Zelle. Some them will send to my PayPal.
All right,
Yes, that's what I said,
No,
guys.
and this is what
3,500.
me don't want. Me don't want the money all over the place. Me want it two places only.
No, but listen up. Who can send to PayPal? Who can
Who
send to
can
Zelle?
who can
Who
sell?
can
Just
send
can
to
sell
Cash
the
App?
3-5. Just if it pay if it Zelle if it when I say no, who can sell a Zelle? Just we are use the Zelle and we are use the two people them. We not
At
busy about PayPal and
10%,
nobody
not
else right now.
70%.
The
Listen
Taya
good.
says 70, but they're gonna take 3,500 to go see her represent her
Taya, let me talk
Let
to
tomorrow.
me mute.
Bossy
Let
and
me
to
mute.
Pat. Let me
Yeah,
talk
Don't
to
say
me
nothing.
Bossy.
Hold
you
on there. Don't wait. Let
talk.
me mute. You got it. Don't say nothing, my friend. Don't say nothing.
Where's the bling?
All right. You want to collect with Cash App. You have some people don't have Cash App, they have PayPal. You have some people have Zelle too. So you see them 3 payment method there. So we can use your Zelle, your Cash App, and your PayPal for one payment if you want.
All
Or
right.
we
All right,
have
yeah, but
some
the thing is, at three, yeah, I understand what you're saying, at 3-5, may I look right now, not more than that. And we want it screenshot recorded, because we want to release the screenshot them after. Me not really want the all over the place. Me use the business. We only use the Cash App, we use the Zelle. Me sorry if you have PayPal and something else and you can't pay, put that to another day. All I am giving is only my Cash App. Somebody else provides Zelle. I would appreciate if the same tire girl provide fair Zelle and me provide the Cash App and me put my part.
all right. So what about I put the PayPal?
Well, if you want to be the third party, where I don't recommend, but if you want to jump in, yeah, the
No,
quick.
but more money come quicker so too with the 3
All right.
payments.
But bear in mind, you have to go sure for sure. We want
Yeah,
sure.
man, me
Yeah,
not care. You
all
know,
right.
the money can't call, thiefing can't call for
All right,
mine.
we are talk too long now. We could start the money. You
All
start getting
right,
up
so
here.
guys, moderator, Bossy, what is your Cash App? Let me write it so I could send to my
Number sign RTHQ. So let me put it right there. See, let me put it there. Very easy. The number.
RQHQ. So
Please put Ivan in name beside it when you send it. Please put Ivan in name beside it as
Cash
evidence.
App. Taya, what is your Zelle? Taya,
I wrote it in the comment. You see it? Latoya,
tell me, just
Lat-
say it to me.
Latoya, Latoya dot MINOTT at gmail.com.
Wait, LATOYA dot
MINOTT
MINOTT
at gmail.com.
at gmail. Okay, .com. All right, moderator, I'm gonna send this to you. Everybody, she's gonna put it up, and you guys gonna see. Just send one who can, because I know one who can do it.
Yeah, guys, so I can send it over to the lawyer.
Yes.
May I go fill out the form while we're at talk right now?
Yeah, I'm a Mrs. No, yes, people are Mrs. Right? Remember, you have people getting lion and them something there on the gift and rare. Right now, just make the thing happen, no man. Cause I know me not see nothing in my paper yet. Just make the thing happen in my Zelle, no make it.
Okay, she said after you complete the intake form, please send a payment to Zelle. You can use the same number to follow up tonight.
TikTok lawyer, I sent you all payment methods. Can you pin it? Can you put it up in the
All right,
chat now for the people to see? Guys,
all right. So the lawyer just texted me. Let me read it to you guys. She said, "Hi. After you complete the intake form, please send payment Zelle. Please use this number. You can use the same number to follow up tonight. If you're looking for bond hearing service only, 3,500. If you want us to assist with the full case, you will need this. We need a minimum of 4,900 to appear tomorrow. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions tonight."
Yeah, me have.
Girl, it's a big company. Me think me
All
a
right.
Google
So
a
the
little
question may
small
I ask
liar.
you. Oh, what she say? Oh, it reached to the 4,000. What she say? What she say? Oh, it move up. Me Mr. Party.
She said, if you are looking for the bond hearing services only is 3,500. If you want us to assist with the full case, you will need this. We need a minimum of 4,900 to appear tomorrow.
All right.
Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions
We
tonight.
if does the 4,900 can get, we can also give our bill if she come out, come take it over from here. So I just want she come
Yeah,
out. And not every day we
exactly.
do it. We just want she come out.
Exactly. We just
And
want
she
to
take it
come
over.
out.
Yeah, she will take it over from here. So
All
So
right,
the bottom
guys.
line is people make the money. And one thing we never cost me over now. Big up the $20 them and the little $5 them. Big them over. No, me not see no 100 and the 200. Come on, people. Step on the thing good now if you're really interested in the energy. Come on,
Me
man.
I call Mama
Chrissy,
T.
Well,
top left on your screen.
the streets back by the.
Everybody look at the left top of your screen. You see the blue and white paper. Click it. Everyone, please to click it. You're going to see all payment methods. Just send whatever you can in there now. We can do it. It's 4.8 people. We can get the 3.5. Everybody just send what you can. PayPal, Cash App, Zelle. Just
We're gonna afford. People, me do a pity party. Just 1 second, I'm mute. Gentle people, I'm asking you, please. Remember, me cuss and class. But there's a thing called reality check. We are help people. No, you know the good thing we want to learn from it. Look at cheese. Look on all the way. No for when we watch it every day where we bring on one another and cuss one another and class. Cause we not like we do it. You don't feel good for say all the week and day so today right now.
together.
Even whether if we don't mean it or not, but the unity is there for sure. Say yes, we can come together one time and try to help somebody. And you shouldn't be proud of that because we entertain, and we also want to know that we're not that evil. We're human beings. So may I ask you, please, just do the 2 bills now, do the 3 bills now, do the 4 bills now, and then we tell her fuck off after.
The PayPal, Jesus Christ. Everybody see it come up on the page there. Everybody, no matter how small it is, we can do it. Nothing in the PayPal, Jesus God.
All of the real IVANY supporter.
What is sensation there?
What they call yourself?
Sensation.
All of the real sensation. What color you use? You don't show yourself now. What you use? What on the
The
team?
green art.
Man. Push up the energy. It's all about IVANY right now.
Send to where? Okay, Money Queen. Who's saying send to where? Pin the cell. Guys, listen to me. Look at the top of the screen. On the left-hand side, you see the blue and white paper. All payment methods is on that seat there, right in front of you. Everybody, take a picture of that and send money.
Oh,
Everybody
God.
take a picture.
Can't
Cheese,
believe
this
that
come up
this
on your
really
screen.
happened. Yeah.
So it come up on everybody's screen. Taya, this come up on your screen?
Yeah.
$36 come. Thank you. Send more. I just received $36.
A
Yes.
$40 a person they say, you know.
But at 36 register you some
And
love.
that you go get. May I tell you?
You're there. All right.
That's a PayPal dangerous.
Come on, people. Keep sending. Come on, we can do this.
If you don't have the money, we can cash out for 2 lion and put over. Only 2, no more than 2. I mean, want a small gift. So suppose you don't have the money, you say, but me can send a little lion in a bossy. Send me the lion and me cash out for that. No more than 2.
Okay. Thank you, Chrissy, for posting the. Everybody on the live, listen. Share the live to 15 people now. Everybody share the live to 15 people.
The
Let us
Jamaians over there try search the woman and the system block him.
Ooh,
Dirty lucky.
I search for ooh.
So move him sad. But
Something to you know, this is not the time, but me just say this because my spirit I get the best of me. One thing more, you know. Ivan in Aga, Jamaica, and the donkey stay here, you know.
I mean,
Straight blood clot out, you know, you're gonna say me evil. Because this is not fair. We are all human.
not. And she just have our fucking baby.
that's
thank you, Lord. Somebody understand when me I feel.
She just have our baby.
RT, thank you.
You know, when I tell RT this evening that IVANY is locked up, he didn't even let me finish saying what I'm saying. The second thing out his mouth, Bling, we have to help her. We have to help her. Mister, you don't even hear what me say. Bling, find out what needs to be done.
But you know, RTD tell IVANY that.
Huh?
You know, RTD tell
Yes, this
IVANY
is
that.
Living Space.
So what
Say she, her baby father and her that got in
I
a problem
see.
like that.
yeah.
You should tell the truth.
But next week we bring up back that.
You know, so when time I come out here and I beg, so the people them not give me. But you see, as soon as somebody come over here and I beg for somebody else, then run out. Me tell us if you fix this enough for me, you know. Me tell you if you fix this for me too. But you now listen to me.
Carlene Hyatt, thank you.
Yeah.
Me want you make the people them start give me
I no lie, but the thing is, true me no practice Oberman work, me practice psychic. The one for advice and the with money. Me no really too inna the guzu that inna the dopey same thing. So that's why me can't fix it.
I care about what I did.
So you have to go find a different guzu man for that one there, baby.
You think my fit call come?
Hey, a gunman, a young boy, story. You want a gunman, or you want a young boy? Come, we fix it. You know.
Mama Ellie.